Good evening, everyone. I'm Jesse J. Madahi from BSB FM Toki and also part from Group 8, and my topic is all about reevaluate and re-examine the plan. So when we are going to make a financial plan, of course we need to set our goals. When we say reevaluate and re-examine, we need to know about what is going on in our financial plan so we can continue to achieve the financial security and independence to improve the quality and efficiency of a certain business. That's why it is needed to always monitor and to have a regular assessment of financial decision. So, mawala to ako topic, sir.
Good day everyone. I'm Ronmer B. Mayas and I'm one of the group reporter of Group 8. So our topic is all about corporate financial planning. So I'm the first reporter. And my assigned topic is all about the financial planning process. Financial planning process, the process of controlling and managing the use of money to achieve personal economic satisfaction and independence. So sa financial planning, need nato siya kung magtukod tag business, kinahanglan nato siya financial planning and decision making para mo atong business. And each person has his own unique individual position and therefore would require financial activity that must be careful planned to meet their specific goals. So sa kung magtukod tag business, kinahanglan jud nato planuhan para mo lambot, then mo success para sa ito gani. And number 1, assess your present or current financial situation. Start listening down the sources of all income, any obligation or debts, and what are the expenses your business incurred. In knowing these items, so assess your present current financial situations. So sa financial planning, need na to like pusa na. So sa number 1 is kung magtukod kag business, pwede ka mag-loan. Then, need nimo og financial planning and decision making para ang imong giloan nga kwarta is dili masayang. And then, kung magtukod po kag business, need nimo siya research, time, and knowledge para mo kuan siya mulambo. And assess your current financial situation kung kaya na ba nimo magtukod or business or dili pa. And you will be able to identify if there is enough money left to your save or there are just enough money coming in to satisfy your standard way of living. And that's all. Thank you.